A warning sign for EHANG community. There is a big breakout gonna happen if we broke this resistant level and confirm it. Before we go to the chart and see this a big move for EHANG the coming days, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel where I always say no editing, no BS, straight raw information with the trading Jesus. So without further ado, let's go to the chart and see some green. Okay, so guys, as expected in the video before, as I said, guys, we hit our level at 28. Congratulations about the people who actually bought at this perfect dip. But I always said there's always a next opportunity and another opportunity in stock markets. So never feel FOMO. So guys, let's see what's happened. After we actually got really good bounce from here, we respected the other support level at 33. Then I told you guys we need a candle to actually close here. And this is from the last video I actually did. The painting still, I didn't move it. So we actually have a 4-hour candle, and not just this candle. We actually break out from our last resistance that I talked about. This is the most important resistance we have so far. Here, we respected this level so many times. And guess what? Yesterday, we actually broke from it at 47 and exactly, sorry, exactly, see what's happened. We actually have this wick. We got a bit rejection here and we get back at the same level I told you guys at 45. And now what we gonna see today, we need to see a big another candle here to close today here at this level. And in order to actually for us test this level at 54. And this the level where we're gonna see our breakout, because guys, if we go back and see what the price did before, we have EHANG went to all-time high because we have this beautiful W-shaped breakout, this level, boom, and we have our confirmation before we have the bad news about the report with the Wolfpack. We went until almost 130. This W perfect shape that confirm our breakout. And guess what happened? Now we actually have the same shape, but we wait for confirmation. Look with me, guys. Here. This perfect. Boom. We need to clear this level and we go above the 56 to confirm that we actually we have the W shape. Then we break out really strong, guys. This is really important and beautiful shape we want to see. Boom, boom. But we have to actually go over this level at 54 and we have a candle to close above it. Then we have the confirmation that we're gonna break even from this level if we have the volume support us. But first, we need to clear the 54 level and we have a candle to close above it. And we have a candle to close above here. This will be amazing because we're gonna see EHANG go to 96 levels, the other psychological level that we have to pass here in order for us to go all-time high at 130. So guys, this is amazing. Now we wait because we wait for the W shape to complete and to confirm it. First, we have to go at this level at 54 and we close above it to confirm the W-shaped breakout. This is amazing, guys. This is just in coming days. We're gonna see this play will come true. So patience, never FOMO, and always hunt for the price value like intelligent investor, and be ready for the price to come to you. I always say this at my channel, that Trading Jesus always say this to you: never jump, always wait and hunt for the right price. So guys, if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I do daily video about technical analysis and give you the exact precise prices with high value prices. So guys, let's see some green. Until next time, the next update daily updates. So if you don't want to miss anything, hit the notification bell. And until next time, let's see some green.